To use the TTV app on Android, start by downloading and installing the app from a trusted source. Once installed, launch the app and you will be presented with a user-friendly interface. The home screen displays a list of popular movies and TV shows, allowing you to easily browse and discover new content. To search for specific titles, use the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the name of the movie or show you are looking for, and the app will display a list of relevant results. You can also filter search results by genre, year of release, and rating. To watch a movie or show, select the title from the search results or browse through the available categories. The app will then display a list of available streaming links, allowing you to choose the quality and source of the stream. Select a link and the app will begin playing the content. TTV also allows you to add titles to a favorites list, making it easy to keep track of the movies and shows you want to watch. To add a title to your favorites list, select the title and click the Favorites button. You can then access your favorites list from the app's menu. In addition to streaming movies and TV shows, TTV also provides access to subtitles, allowing you to customize your viewing experience. To enable subtitles, select the Subtitles option from the app's menu and choose the language you prefer. To ensure a smooth viewing experience, make sure your Android device is connected to a stable internet connection. You can also adjust the app's settings to optimize performance, such as selecting a lower quality stream or disabling subtitles. Overall, using the TTV app on Android is a straightforward process that provides access to a wide range of movies and TV shows. By following these steps and exploring the app's features, you can enjoy a convenient and customizable viewing experience.